Hey, I'm Nikhil, and in this video, I'm going to teach you Python from scratch, even if you have never coded before in your life. We'll be using VS Code, and by the end of this video, you'll have written your very first real Python program. Let's get started. Let's install Python first. Go to python.org/downloads, and then click Download Python. And then you could just choose to download it anywhere. I'm just choosing to download onto my downloads file. And then next, go to Visual Studio Code. And then download it. Now, go ahead and double click on the Python file that you installed. You should see Add Python exe to path. Be sure to click that, and then install now. Now close, and then go on the VS Code file that we downloaded and double click on that. Hit I accept agreement, next, and then you could just put it wherever you want. I'm just gonna leave it as it is, and then hit next. Next. I'm gonna create a desktop icon, but you don't have to. Install. Hit finish, and then it should launch. Once VS Code is open, click on extensions, and then type Python. Install the first one by Microsoft. Now, let's create a folder anywhere on your computer. I'm just going to do it on my desktop. After creating a folder, come back to Visual Studio Code, click on File, and then hit Open Folder. Open the folder that you have just created. After opening it, click on this little icon that says New File, and then name it main.py. Now, let's write our first line of code. Type print, open parentheses, and then open quotation marks, and then write hello world. Now hit Command S or Control S, and then hit run, and then run without debugging. Select Python debugger, and then watch it execute the code. Let's talk about variables. A variable is like a box that stores information. Watch this. We have created a box called name, and then put my name inside of it, and then printed it. Now, let's ask the user for their name. Now, when we run this, it will ask you for what's your name, and then you can type whatever your name is, and it will say, nice to meet you, your name. Now, let's make the computer think using an if statement. When I run this, the computer checks your age and then decides what to print based on it. Simple logic. Let's talk about lists. It's like a collection of items. Watch this. The for loop goes through each the color and prints it. It's like a checklist. Now, let's build a simple calculator that does basic math. This is your first real project. It asks for numbers, takes an operation, and gives you the answer. For example, I could put random numbers like 834 and then 917, and then it'll ask me for an operation. I'm just gonna do division. There we go. In less than 10 minutes, you'll learn how to print text, use variables, take user input, make decisions, loop through lists, and even build a mini calculator.